Hello, Nathaniel Joseph Claw. I am Princess Adora. I first must commend you on finding the 8 gems for the amulet. By no means an easy task. You then fought through great adversity and peril and found your way here to Tiger Island. An equally difficult task. Finally, you defeated Lord Omar, the captain of my Royal Tiger Guard, and obtained the final gem. You have indeed proven yourself worthy to hold the title as champion of all cats in the Greater Lore Realms. And you will proudly wear this title with the Amulet of 9 Lives. The cat champion who wears this amulet wields incredible magical power and is granted by the deities a true 9 lives, the closest any mortal creature can come to immortality. Go now, Nathaniel. Omar will accompany you as a guardian to both yourself and the amulet. The amulet is very powerful, so it's important that it not fall into the hands of someone corrupt or villainous. Guard it with your life, and it will serve you forever.